What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up Now. So guys, excuse the sound and the quality of this video. I'm in my bathroom because, as you guys have read on the title, I want to come and do some hair treatment again because we are in the summer. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I didn't put any gel on my hair. I just put some hair mousse. I do like a slick back, moisturizer, and hair mousse. But because the weather in Holland, it is very hot right now, and it kind of like suck all the moisture out of my hair, and my hair feels very dry. And so I want to come and do some hair treatments for my own hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. I did a couple of days ago, I did some hot oil coconuts treatments, and that is very good, you know. I just want to put something else on my hair, like a deep conditioner, but I want to make my own DIY deep conditioner. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to take you guys down to my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys the ingredient I'm going to use. The reason why I love making deep conditioner at home, because it's natural and you have everything in your kitchen. Sometimes I do buy deep conditioner in the store, but most time I like to make one in my kitchen because I do have a lot of stuff in my kitchen that I make. The last time on my video I talked about me soaking different kind of herbs together and then use the water as a leave-in conditioner on my own hair and on my kids' hair. I wanted to show you guys the herbs, but I actually forgot to show you guys. So today I want to show you guys these herbs. There are different herbs in here. You have fenugreek, you have I don't know the name of this thing, but there are different herbs in here, and I just soak everything together. And when it's soaked for a week, as you guys can see, it's changed color. I pour the water into this container and I use this one to as a leave-in spray it before I moisturize my hair. So this is the herbs that I soaked in a bottle. Maybe next time when I'm making them, I'll show you guys what I'm making it with, but these are just natural herbs. So this is what I have. So guys, let me take you guys downstairs into the kitchen and let's go and make this deep conditioner. Let's go. Stay tuned. Let's go down.
So these are the ingredients I'm going to use: a banana, a castor oil, honey, and this hair oil. If you guys have been following me for a very long time, you guys know I use this Jamaican mango and lime hair oil for a very long time now, but now I think they changed the container, so now we have a brand new container. But these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I picked this up at a hair store in Holland for €6, and castor oil I picked it up from a shop called named The Town. If you live in the Netherlands, it's not the Jamaican black castor oil, but it's just a pure castor oil. And I also use this one for my eyebrow and eyelashes. It really helps thicken and grow my eyebrow and eyelashes. So this is the one I'm going to use. The banana is very ripe, and that is good. You need to use a very ripe banana because then it's easy to blend. I just want to make sure that the container underneath is closed because I'm going to add oils. You know, oils are liquid, so if the container is not really closed, everything is going to melt. So then I'm going to take a spoon of the castor oil, just because the castor oil is very thick, and be careful, don't make a mess like the way I did. So I'm just gonna take a spoon of castor oil. It's a little bit thicker, so I don't really want a lot of castor oil. And then I'm also going to take this oil as well. I really like this oil. It's not that really thick. 2 spoons of this one is good. I also use this one. You can use this one on its own naturally to massage your scalp, to oil your hair. It's very good, and I really like it. So now we're going to use the honey. You can use any honey of your choice, but I got my honey in the organic store. I'm just going to use 2 spoons of honey, 1 spoon of castor oil, and 2 spoons of the Jamaican mango inline hair oil. So after adding all my ingredients, I'm just going to blend everything. I'm going to close it so that it doesn't mess up everywhere in the kitchen, and just wipe it clean. I like to clean the surface because if I have mess up. So now I'm just going to blend everything. Make sure I blend really smooth. The reason why I love using this blender whenever I'm doing my deep hair conditioner treatment, because this blender blends everything very smoothly. And when you put it on your hair, it doesn't really leave any residue. It doesn't leave any like those little bulk seed that you sometimes find in your deep conditioner when you don't blend it correctly. This one blends like a butter, it blends like cream into the skin. So that's why I always like to test the product on my skin to see how it blends. As you guys can see, all the ingredients has blended. So now I'm just going to pour everything into this container, and then I'm going to take you guys upstairs into the bathroom because that is where I'm going to apply it into my hair. So this is my hair treatment. This is very easy, and you have all this ingredient in your hair. I always have honey in my kitchen because I love drinking tea with honey and castor oil. These are natural oils that I have. So this is what the product is looking like. So if you want to know if your product is really blend smoothly, just take it, massage it into your hand, and if it blends like cream, then you know your deep conditioner is blend. So guys, this is it. Let's go into the bathroom and show you guys how I apply it.
So team first, I'm done. You guys have seen we have done making this deep hair conditioner treatment. So I feel like taking this, apply into my hair like this is going to take forever. I don't know, but let's just apply. Ooh, it feels so soft, and this one has honey in it. And yeah, actually, you guys know honey is very good for the hair. I'm just gonna apply this. Gonna apply. I didn't make that much just because my hair is not that much. So if you have like a lot of hair, maybe you can add a little bit more ingredients. Like instead of using one banana, you can use like 2 banana. Like double up the ingredients if you have a lot of hair. But you guys can see I do not have a lot of hair. My hair is not that much, so I feel like this is more than enough. Like this part of my hair, like the back side of my hair, like right here, is very, very dry. It doesn't matter. Even when my hair was natural, it's always like the part that is kind of stubborn, kind of like a little bit hard to deal with. So that's why whenever I'm moisturizing my hair, I'm always adding more product in here. So now we have all the product into the hair. We use everything, like everything is gone. Excuse the noise in the background. The window is open, so people are outside working, talking, and the kids are also downstairs. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to massage this into my hair very well. Massage, massage, massage. I like to massage this for at least 5 minutes sometimes. If you have the time, just massage your head. Let the blood flow. Okay. I think I was going to say how my hair is. My hair is very, very soft. Get it all over, like my edges, everywhere. Especially when you're relaxed, you really want to use natural products on your hair. You want to use a lot of natural products. You want to take good care of your hair because you have put a chemical into your hair that is actually destroying your hair, not good for your hair, as much as we're doing it, but we all know it's not a good chemical. So you want to kind of compensate for that and put some healthy stuff into your hair to help balance it. I feel like this is more than enough. It's time to wrap. I'm going to use a plastic bag from the kitchen. I'm going to use this to wrap my hair. Oh, my hair is like, I don't know, like itchy, like crunching, like, oh, it feels so good. Okay, sorry guys, but this feels, I just finished massaging it, but it feels giving this tingling sensation. Yeah, that is what it's giving. And so when it's tingling and you are scratching it, it just feels good. Okay, so I'm also gonna add my shower cap. This shower cap is double, it's the plastic and material here. I'm just gonna add this one on top just to give you that extra heat. I'm gonna leave this one for an hour or something. I'm just gonna be doing stuff around the house. I have some videos that I need to edit, so I'm going to just leave it and edit when I'm done editing. When I'm done what I'm doing, I'll just come take a shower and wash it out, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you have any question, let me know in the comments box. I'll be pleased to answer your questions. And see you guys soon. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the finished result. My hair feels really good. My hair feels really soft, especially at the back. It feels really soft. I'm very, very happy, you know. It's very easy. I just want to maintain a healthy hair. And you guys can see I'm always using wild tooth comb because I don't want to cut my hair. I'm not going to moisturize my hair right now. As you guys can see, I've just finished taking a shower, but like I'm sweating right now because it is super, super hot right now in the Netherlands. So I'm just going to comb it all the way back. I'm not going to put anything into it later before I go to bed, because I normally do now also take shower before bed. Sometimes I just allow the water to run through my head. I don't wash it with shampoo, nothing, just the water run through, and then that's it. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. When I'm take shower later again before bed, I will moisturize it before going to bed. But for now, I don't feel like it's necessary for me to moisturize it because it's really, really hot, and I'm definitely gonna take a shower before bed. But yeah, so guys, this is my finished result. You guys can see how my hair easily laid back. I really, really like it. My hair is not that long anymore. It's not that like very, very long, but it's okay. This is where my hair stopped. So I can't wait where my hair will be in 1 year. So but for now, this is what we are dealing with. So if you guys like this video, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.